the result that we expected and you expected, but your assessment of the match?
Yes, a very close match, and could have been a little more clinical towards the end, but credit to him, he played a really solid game.
Lakshya, in the first game, your plan seemed to be to take the pace off and take control of the net, worked really well. Just talk to us about why you couldn't probably replicate it in the third and the first half.
Yeah, I think the third set it was much more of a pressure game where both of us were trying to keep the attack, and but again, the whole match it was very close, and it was important for me to finish off, but I think again could have been a little more clinical.
Just one reason that you would say that you lost the match, what would that be? If you have to pick one.
I mean, I have to sit back with the coaches and again go through the whole match, but again credit to him as well. He played a good solid.
This is your fourth loss to him, and what makes him tricky as an opponent?
Yes, he's a really good player, and I think he was playing well today as well, according to the conditions. And both of us were trying to keep the attack. And yeah, I think at the end he managed.
Lakshya, amidst the controversy, how you were able to focus on yourself regarding the off-field controversy going on in the session?
I'm just focusing on my matches, and yeah, in every tournament there are things that don't go as planned, so we can't do anything about that. But and it's everywhere, so yeah, I'm not focusing too much.
Second game, he took off I think 8 or 9 straight points. How much of a pressure does that create when someone takes off so many points at a stretch? Does it add to the pressure of performing or taking off quick points and then maybe affecting the game also at that point?
I think in today's match I was not prepared for the wind. There was a little bit more wind than yesterday, so it took me some time to realize, and yeah, I was a bit shaky from the net to lift the shuttle, and I played so many errors just from the front. But yeah, I think apart from that, I think I could figure out in the third set and not give so many easy errors from that.
Was the near side of the court a little difficult to adjust? In the second,
Yeah.
the second set.
Yeah, so it was a little bit faster, so I had to control a bit better. And from where I started, I could play freely from the lifts, and I think even he was doing the same.
Lakshya, how much of your plans were you able to execute today? Because you had 3-0 record against him, 0-3 record. How much of your plans were you able to execute? Were you happy with those things?
Yeah, I think a lot of the things could have done better. So.
Lakshya, when you were at the back side of the court, what were you trying to do to ensure that he was also trying to make you hit those lifts? How were you trying to avoid making those shots which he was trying to make?
I tried being more patient from the back because I know if he was getting a very good length, and it's hard to score winners from that deep of the court. So just trying to play a downward shot or try and keep the attack but not go all out.
A lot of disappointment, but that one point, behind the back point that really got the crowd going, standing ovation. This is a very fun point, I'm sure, when you think about that towards the end of the game.
I think it was a good point, but again, it's only 1 point.